What's going on, everybody? This is my first workout back in like 2 weeks. Watch me just get manhandled by this weight, yo. I'm getting manhandled. Anyways, this is a log clean and push press. Log clean and push press. It's only 200 pounds, nothing crazy. But again, because it's my first week back after a 2-week break, your boy was kind of just going through it. Anyways, this right here is pretty fun. I did it beltless. But as you see on this third rep, it's not the cleanest. The clean is clean. But look at this. That's pretty clean. But then boom, I dropped the log. Next time, I'm definitely going to use 2 tires. And I'll catch y'all on the next one.